Bell Mobility Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Bell Mobility plans and offers can be found in the description. Bell Mobility is one of Canada's largest and most advanced wireless providers, offering nationwide coverage, 5G connectivity, and premium plan options. It operates on Bell's extensive fiber-backed network, providing superior reliability and speed, particularly in urban and suburban areas. One of its key advantages is its widespread 5G coverage, which delivers ultra-fast speeds and low latency, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Bell also offers unlimited data plans with throttled speeds after a certain limit, international roaming options, and strong support for eSIM, VoLTE, and Wi-Fi calling. It's a top choice for professionals, frequent travelers, and users who prioritize network performance over cost. Strengths include industry-leading network coverage, consistently fast data speeds, and premium customer support. However, weaknesses include higher pricing compared to budget carriers, occasional congestion in peak areas, and additional fees for certain plan features. Despite its premium cost, Bell Mobility is the go-to option for those who need the best possible connectivity and are willing to pay for it. If you're looking for a top-tier mobile experience with Canada's best network, Bell Mobility is a solid choice. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and deals.